Okay, the left-hand position is exactly like the right-hand position, except for the fact that we're going to start with the pinky, which is the fifth finger. Remember, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at the right hand, we're moving from 1 to 5. With the left hand, we're going to go 5 to 1. And the same principle applies. You've got to create 8 fingers. You've only got 5, you've got to create 8. So in the left hand, we're going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I need 3 more fingers. 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do this again. So we're going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, thumb under, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 2 fingers that you want to always be aware of is your thumb and your third finger, because those are the 2 fingers that are going to facilitate the hand creating either 5 more fingers or 3 more fingers. So in the right hand, it's 1, 2, 3, thumb goes under. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we come down, it's 4, 3, 2, 1. Third finger goes over. 3, 2, 1. Same with the left hand. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Third finger over. 2, 3, thumb under. Does that make sense?